Good morning, how are you doing? Here is my gentle reminder not to forget to feed the starter in the fridge. I almost forgot mine. I was getting too comfy. The last time I got too comfortable, refreshing my cool starter felt like I was making a new one. Today I was like, let me get to it before the sourdough drama starts. So it's been 1 week and this is what she looks like. Feeding the starter when it is cold would only slow down the process. I will keep her sitting in the room temperature for a while. A strong starter always bounces back after the first feed unless it's been neglected for too long. Placing the starter back in the fridge after this feed will not disrupt her activity as long as I feed her once a week. Fortunately for both of us, I want to bake bread tomorrow. I'll leave her right here to keep her creative juices going. Hi, good morning. I'm actually getting late. This is about 8 a.m. about now, and normally I would do most of my morning chores, before I get to this. I can see that this has maintained the same consistency. In fact, right now it has peaked and it is dropping. So I need to feed it right now. And then I'm going to make probably some bread later on today. And then let's see how it goes. But so far, so good. It has definitely picked up and it is refreshed and it's picking and dropping. So it's good to go.